Recent leaks suggest that Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra may feature notable design changes and hardware upgrades. The prototype reportedly includes a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 200-megapixel telephoto lens with 4 times optical zoom, reducing the total number of rear cameras from 4 to 3. For selfies, Samsung added a more refined under-screen selfie camera could reduce the punch-hole effect. Samsung may introduce AI-driven image enhancements for better low-light and zoom capabilities. Also, instead of multiple telephoto lenses, Samsung could implement variable optical zoom, allowing seamless magnification without digital loss. The device is expected to house a 5,500 mAh stacked battery, offering a 10% increase in capacity over its predecessor's 5,000 mAh battery. Also, S26 Ultra, expected to support 65 watts or higher wired charging and improved wireless charging speeds. The S Pen is anticipated to regain Bluetooth connectivity, a feature that was absent in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, potentially adding more realistic pen-on-paper feedback while writing or sketching. Hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome content.